looks so red. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, KristinCena. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this look through using Benefit beauty samples. I do have 9 samples right here, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I love trying on beauty samples because it did save me money, because you know you will not buy the product unless you really love it. So you will have to experience the products first before you buy the full size. And especially Benefit is kind of like high-end cosmetic brand, and I love these ones, especially the size. They are so cute. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Let's start by putting on moisturizer in our face. Let's try the Benefit's Total Moisture Facial Cream. And let's open this. It's white cream. Let's put it on my face. Moisturize our face. It is important because our skin needs a lot of water. Oh, that smells good. Oh, my skin looks so red. Now I'm gonna try their Pore Fessional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. This is the primer. And this is also a popular product of Benefit. Right, open it. And actually I haven't tried any of their products, so this is really a good start. Starting with samples. You focus the primer on your problem areas. So as for me, it's my cheeks. I do have really huge pores. Yeah, there, so. Okay. Now I'm gonna use their Oola Lift. This is an instant under eye brightening boost. Actually, some of these samples I checked on it, and sometimes I'm like, how do you use this? So yeah. Come with me in my journey on discovering makeup. Though I love it. I always watch YouTube makeup tutorials, and now I'm doing it. So be with me, guys. I'm just guessing you'll put it under your eye, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, under eye brightening. You know, I'm starting to feel like my under eye is starting to look blackish, or under eye circles. I think it's because I'm getting older and I'm turning, yeah, it's actually my birth month. So I am turning 24 on the 24th of August. I've also read that the first thing that's really, when you age, it's the eye area, the first thing that's gonna change. So now I have here Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow Oil-Free Non-Grass Brightening Makeup. I'm not sure how to use this. It's so cute. Samples are so cute. I love it. I'm just gonna swatch this Hello Oxygen Wow and this BB cream by Benefit. This is their Bigger Than Big Easy Liquid to Powder Multi-Balancing Complexion Perfector. Yeah, so here it is. This is their BB cream. This has a color and this is gonna have a brown color. So I will just mix these two, the BB cream and also this Hello Flawless one. It's mixed. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my fingertips to, I'll put it on my face using my fingertips. So you don't expect this to cover your imperfections, cover the discolorations on your face, since this is not really a proper foundation. Okay, so from what I can see here, it's a little bit whiter than my skin, but that's alright. Just a hair whiter. I think it really minimized a little bit of my pores. So, and what's for sure is that I feel like, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but right here I feel like it's just a hair whiter than my face, especially that my neck is dark right here. The next thing that I'm gonna apply is the Lolly Tint. This is the tint by Benefit. So let's try this one also. Ooh! It is purple! It does have a purple color. Let's try it. This one is a subtle pinkish purplish color. It's nice. It's really cute. Look. Now let's try their Sugar Bomb lip gloss. Look at their packaging. Is it familiar? This packaging, you know, this dripping thing, this reminds me of the Kylie lipsticks. Yeah, so what color is this? I'm not sure what color this is. Is it the Ultra Brush the color? Ooh, smells like strawberry or a berry. I just can't figure it out. Okay, let's put it on. It kind of has like little bit of glitter. It's glittery. Yeah, this one is this one is a glittery type of lip gloss. I don't think I'm a fan of this kind of lip gloss. It's too glittery for me, but it smells so good. And the last sample that I have here, this is the Benefit Badgal Lash, and I'm so excited to try this one, guys, because this is just a sample, and like if you buy the full-sized one, it's really expensive. Like all of the Benefit products are expensive, so it's really good that I'd be able to try their mascara. Let's put it on my oh wow! Look at my eyes. You can see the difference with this. My lashes looks really long and curly. It's just that it has a little bit of volume. It's not as volumizing as the Too Faced one. If you just want your lashes to pop, this is a good thing to try on. My lashes done, and I'm hoping that this won't bleed after a few hours, because if it won't, I would give this like a 10 out of 10. So I really hope so. But so far I like it. I do have now a simple, so by the way, that's it. Oh, there's a last one, but I cannot use this. This is the Real Remover. So this is an eye makeup remover, and I don't want to use this because yeah, because we are not gonna remove the makeup. No. That's it, guys. This is the complete look for all the samples that I got, and it just gave me a really simple look. as I'm also going out later, and this would be my look for today. Really simple. That completes this video. I do hope you enjoyed watching the video. Tell me what you think about their products. Is any one of those samples you are already using? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Please comment it down below, and I'd love to read them. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. It would really mean so much to me. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye!